I'm going to be putting RAM into the PC. It's already got some RAM in it, so I'm going to show you that first. We're going on the BIOS. You do this by clicking F2. Next, go to memory info. And you can see it's got like a bigger RAM in already. I'll now put the other piece of RAM in. I'll do this by turning this up. I'm plugging it at the main. Right. Take the case off. I'll grab the side of it to stop anti-static electricity. Next, I'll put the RAM in. Had it the wrong way around. My bad. You'll hear it click when it's in place. Oh, now that's done, I'll put the lid back on. It will click into place. Next, I'll turn the power back on and start the computer back up. I'll press F2 again so I can get the BIOS up. And then when I go to memory info, it will say that the memory has increased in the computer.